Assalamu alaikum. You have 5 seconds to answer the question in a comment. Question number 1. Who was the first Chief Minister of Punjab? Answer. Iftikhar Hussain Khan Mamdood. 15 August 1947 to 25 January 1949. Question number 2. Who was the first Governor of Punjab? Answer. Sir Francis Modi. 15 August 1947 to 2 August 1949. Question number 3. Who was the first Chief Minister of Sindh? Answer. Muhammad Ayub Khoro. 16 August 1947 to 28 April 1948. Question number 4. Who was the first Governor of Sindh? Answer. Sheikh Ghulam Hussain Hidayat. 16 August 1947 to 4 October 1948. Question number 5. Who was the first Chief Minister of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa? Answer. Abdul Qayyum Khan. 23rd August 1947 to 24 April 1953. Question number 6. Who was the first Governor of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa? Answer. Sir George Gangam. Question number 7. Who was the first Chief Minister of Balochistan? Answer. Sardar Ataullah Khan Mengal. 1st May 1972, 12 May 1973. Question number 8. Who was the first Governor of Balochistan? Answer. Lieutenant General Riaz Hussain. Question number 9. Who was the first Chief Minister of Gilgit-Baltistan? Answer. Sayyid Mehdi Shah. 12 December 2019 to April 2015. Question number 10. Who was the first Governor of Gilgit-Baltistan? Answer. Dr. Shamma Khalid. 23rd March 2010 to 15 September 2010. How many answers you know? Comment in below. If you like our video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.